Hi everybody, here's a few instructions for your Friday, April 12th agenda. After reading time and writing our thought log entries, we're going to move into our groups to work on our literary terms graphic organizer. You can find this assignment here on our Google Classroom feed. Everyone should be able to edit their own charts, and you guys can approach this with the divide and conquer mindset, or if you'd rather work together, you can. But you should have at least 10 terms total from your scene that your group chose. So I should only see one act and one scene in this column. I shouldn't see multiple acts or multiple scenes because we're just focusing on the one we chose. Today you should get through at least 10 examples. Let's wait to do our analysis and commentary until next week. But by the end of the hour today, your group should have a combined total of 10 literary devices. Now, we didn't quite cover every single one that's on this list, so to help you, check out on our agenda today 2 videos that have some explanations over some of those terms that you may be unfamiliar with. As always, let me know if you have questions by emailing me, and I'll see you on Monday. Thanks for watching.